Welcome to the Honor 8 disassembly video tutorial. Prepare the following tools: screwdriver or electric screwdriver with a Phillips bit, fishing line tool, plastic tweezers, metal tweezers, ejection tool, coaxial cable removal tool, heat gun, suction tool. Power off the phone. Apply protective film to the screen if not already present. Stand the phone onto its left side. Insert the ejection tool into the small hole in the card tray. Push the ejection tool with enough force to make the card tray pop out. Set the temperature of the heat gun to 80 degrees Celsius. Use the gun to heat up the lower part of the battery cover for 2 minutes. Attach the suction tool to the lower left corner of the battery cover. Slowly lift the corner. Repeat the process for heating up the lower part of the battery cover on the upper part of the battery cover. Gently separate the battery cover from the front cover as shown. Remove the screw from the steel sheet of the fingerprint sensor B2B connector. Remove the steel sheet using the plastic tweezers. Use the fishing line tool to disconnect the fingerprint sensor B2B connector. Remove the 16 screws as shown. Remove the bezel plate from bottom to top as shown. Use the fishing line tool to disconnect the B2B connectors of the battery, main FPC, LCD, side buttons, rear camera, and front camera. Remove the front and rear cameras using the plastic tweezers. Remove the screw from the PCBA. Remove the PCBA from the rear camera slot position. Use the metal tweezers to remove the speaker as shown. Use the coaxial cable removal tool to remove the coaxial cable. Use the fishing line tool to disconnect the headset jack B2B connector. Use the plastic tweezers to loosen the headset jack. Remove the subboard as shown. Disassembly complete. Thanks for watching.